Here it is. Okay. This is a big elevator. That's a loud elevator. And it's big, yeah, very tall. Here we are too. Watch the doors open. Oh, there's a piano. There it is. Or do you want to go to this piano over here? Let's see if there's any piano in here. I don't know. There you go. No one's in there. There's a piano. Now leave it closed. Leave it open. Find the C's. Where's C? C. Yeah, there it is. Got it? Yep, C. Oh, that one's broken. Find the next C. Next C. Where is it? Find a C. This one. This one. This one. Say bye, YouTube. Say bye, YouTube. That one's broken. Can you say bye, YouTube?